The second book of John, chapter 1. The ancients to the elect lady and her children, whom I love in truth, and not only I, but also who have known the truth. For the truth that dwells in you and will abide with you forever. Grace to you, mercy and peace from God, the Father and the Lord Yeshua, Son of the Father, with truth and praise. I rejoice greatly, and I found your children walking in the truth, as we have received from the Father. And now I ask you, Madam, not as if I were writing you a new command, but the same as we had from the beginning, that we love one another. And this is this love, that we walk according to his commandment. This command is that as you have heard from the beginning, walk in it. For many deceivers have come into this world and do not confess that Yeshua has come in the flesh. Those who are like these are deceivers and antichrist. Take heed to yourself, that we may not lose the things we have done, but may receive the full reward. Whoever transgresses and does not remain in the doctrine of Yeshua has no God, but whoever remains in the doctrine of Yeshua has the Father and the Son. If anyone comes to you and does not carry this doctrine, do not receive him into your house, and say to him, God help you. For whoever says to you, God help you, is a partaker of his evil deeds. Although I had many things to write to you, I will not write with pen and paper, but I trust to come to you and to speak from mouth to mouth, that our joy may be full. The children of your chosen sister greets you. Amen.